legit. Anything you want.
Ethereum hacks on the rise again as price remains below $100. A fresh wave of hacks targeting Ethereum ETH holdings continues, despite the LTCOIN's rise trailing at 18-month lows, Tech Magazine Net reported December 10. Citing research by cybercrime monitoring company Bad Packets LLC, the publication revealed that the Onturnan ETH/USD has failed to stop malicious parties attempting to steal funds from miners and investors. Scanning the network, hackers are trying to identify mining rigs and wallets with an exposed port 8545, which ultimately allows them to gain control and redirect ETH funds elsewhere. Despite the price of cryptocurrency crashing into the gutter, free money is still free, even if it's pennies a day, Bad Packets co-founder and security researcher Troy Marsh commented. Cointelegraph originally reported an Ether scanning phenomenon in June this year after one operation netted a reported $20 million in ETH. Other incidents had occurred previously, joining a spate of various campaigns to divorce cryptocurrency holders from their wealth. 2018 has been a particularly bad year for so-called cryptojacking attacks, which Bad Packets also monitors. Cryptojackers attempt to remotely commandeer devices in order to mine or steal cryptocurrency, with detections rising almost 00% this year. Because this threat is relatively new, many people do not understand it, its potential significance, or what to do about it, a dedicated report on the problem by the Cyber Threat Alliance said in September. Ethereum blockchain, $510 million in Binance Coin BNB move 4 cents. 76% of Binance Coin BNB moved for 3 cents on Wednesday night. Whale Alert, a popular crypto wallet tracking Twitter handle, started to record a number of multi-million-dollar transactions in quick succession. While the transactions, which were mainly ERC20 token transfers, seemed normal at first, as the social media channel continued to tweet incessantly, it became apparent that something was amok. After multi-million-dollar transfers of 0xERX, BNT, WTC, Whale Alert reported that 98,776,172 Binance Coin BNB, nearly all of the asset's circulating supply, was transferred out of NKNOWN wallet. This jaw-dropping amount of BNB, which amounts to a US dollar value of $512 million, was moved for 3 cents in gas fees on the Ethereum blockchain, clearly accentuating crypto's value as a near-instant, borderless, censorship-resistant, permissionless, decentralized, and trustless medium of value. With what centralized financial system 512 million Canadian dollars be sent in a minute's time? Even Bitcoin, arguably one of the slower blockchains, facilitates million-dollar transactions in the span of 10 to 20 minutes, putting centralized ecosystems, like WIFT, to shame. NKNOWN address racks up $1.2 billion in Ethereum tokens in response to the surprising $520 million transfer of BNB, and I Am Nomad, a longtime crypto fanatic, commentator, and analyst, joked that Binance Coin's NTIRE market cap moved, asking if this transaction was somehow linked to Binance's potential use of cold wallets. Nomad, seeking to find answers, apparently went on to ask Binance's support team, asking the world-renowned exchange staff about the suspicious transaction. Per the commentator, the platform's team reportedly exclaimed that RSAFU, in an obvious reference to one of 2018's most popular crypto inside jokes. Obviously not satisfied by this answer, Nomad asked if there was a migration over to new infrastructure BitGo services, or even if Binance got hacked. However, Hangpeng Zhao, CEO of Binance, evidently sought to calm investors' qualms with the influx of outgoing Binance transfers, taking to Twitter to comment on the unique situation. Zhao, formerly of Bloomberg, noted that the address in question, which now holds a total of $1.2 billion in Ethereum-based tokens, presumably all of Binance customers' assets and many of the exchange's Binance Coin, is part of the platform's efforts to beef up its operational security. So for now, it seems that this case of crypto mysteries has been solved. Transaction fees dropping, bullish for crypto no matter the details of this recent event, The Binance-sponsored ERC-20 transactions, all of which were completed for less than a few dollars total, underscores the growing theme of dropping transaction fees, even in ever-popular networks, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In mid-November, just weeks ago, Binance issued a record-breaking transaction, sending 109,000 BTC, valued as $600 million at the time, for a mere $8. This drop in transaction fees on Bitcoin can be attributed to the rise of SegWit adoption, along with the declogging of the network. In terms of Ethereum, the near-zero transaction fees can be attributed to again, a declogging of the network, along with less of hype for dApps. But still, so I ask you again, with what centralized financial system 600 million Canadian dollars be sent in a dozen minutes' time? Again, the answer to this question is likely not hence the value of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. But then again, some issues still need to be resolved, such as the issues with fluctuations in digital asset value,